Hi everyone. If you guys can hear me, I'm actually doing an installation of MySQL server. Um, so, um, so I just got a browser. You can use any browser. Just type in MySQL server on Google. It should take you to MySQL server. So what you're actually looking for is the community server. So I found this here. You come to official website for MySQL. Go to downloads. Um, yep, downloads. What you want is to look for the community edition, which is MySQL community GPL. Uh, you go there, you look for um, yeah, MySQL community server. You click on it. It will ask you for, I don't know what this innovation is, but I think it's their latest this thing, deployment. But I don't want to think it's the light version, but preferably, I don't know, you can choose from any of these, but because I'm not sure what it is, I usually go for, I think this is like the light version, I'm assuming, but I don't know. But I'll just go for the normal community server, and you click on download. So it's asking that it's a zip file. What I want is the installer, so I'll just go to download page, and and so what I'm interested in is actually the installer itself, the offline version, which is the one that has more. This looks like the online version. So this one is offline. So you click on download, it will take you elsewhere. Like if you want to log in, if you don't want to, no thank you, just start. So by the time you start downloading, it's actually downloading. It's almost done. Let's see. I'm in 57%. When it's done, I'll come back and we'll continue the deployment. Just give me a second. So I'm done downloading it. I'll just open the folder where it was downloaded. Let me double click on it and see what's going to happen. So I think the installer is loading. Let's give it a moment. Um, so a prompt has opened and is trying to install. Let's wait for it. Um, saying that you're using older version. Let's wait for it. I think a pop-up will come up, and yeah. So once the software actually comes up, you can actually click what you want to add. So what I'm interested in adding is the server itself. I think other than that, that's the only thing I'm interested in adding. I'm not interested in adding the shell. I think I'll add the shell out of curiosity. Not routes. I think that's just. But the server is what you're actually interested in. So let me click on next. Um, so it's telling me I have the same folder. I actually want to install it there. Um, yeah, I want to install it there. Ready to execute. It's installing. And by the time before let it finish installing, um, yeah, then we'll move to the next place, configuration. So right now it has finished installing. So I'll go to next. So I'm ready to configure my SQL server. Go to next. Yeah, so I'm going to use the default port development. Yeah, so for the purpose of development or learning, you just leave everything as is. Next. Use a strong password encryption for authentication. Next. So let me enter a password that I know I'm going to remember.